When choosing a car, durability is an essential criterion. A reliable car can last for several 100,000 kilometers, but unfortunately, this is not the case for all brands and models. Some cars, despite their initial appeal, are known for their short lifespan and recurring problems that arise well before reaching 100,000 kilometers. If you're considering buying a used car or even a new one, it's crucial to know which models may cause you trouble quickly. In this article, we will explore 10 cars that you should absolutely avoid if you don't want to face mechanical issues after only a few years. These models are often criticized for their fragility, excessive fuel consumption, or high repair costs. If you want to save money in the long run and enjoy worry-free driving, it's essential to make the right choices. Let's discover the vehicles to avoid at all costs. 1. Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 has been a popular car, especially in Europe, due to its charming design and compact dimensions. However, it is far from as robust as its appearance might suggest. Owners of this model have complained about recurring problems with the transmission, steering, and electronics. These cars tend to accumulate mechanical issues well before reaching 80,000 kilometers, which can lead to costly and frequent repairs. Issues with the automatic gearbox, faulty air conditioning, and engine problems are common sources of dissatisfaction. If you're looking for a durable and reliable car, the Fiat 500 should not be on your list. 2. Chevrolet Spark. The Chevrolet Spark is a small, economical vehicle that mainly attracts those looking for a cheap car. However, this model has been frequently criticized for its poor build quality and frequent breakdowns. Mechanical issues often affect the engine and transmission, which can occur well before the odometer hits 80,000 kilometers. Owners also report poor performance and rapid wear of engine components, resulting in noticeable power loss as the kilometers add up. In short, if you're looking for a sustainable investment, avoid this small city car. 3. Ford Fiesta. The Ford Fiesta is a popular car, but it also has its share of flaws. This model, especially from 2008 to 2013, often faces recurring mechanical issues, particularly concerning the gearbox. Drivers have reported difficulties with the power shift transmission system, which can experience costly breakdowns. Additionally, suspension and engine problems often arise before the vehicle reaches 80,000 kilometers. Although the Ford Fiesta is a popular choice for its handling and fuel economy, it doesn't shine in terms of longevity. 4. BMW 1 Series. BMW is a luxury brand known for its performance, but the 1 Series from certain years has often encountered durability issues. These cars are frequently plagued by electrical and electronic failures, problems that become more frequent after 60,000 kilometers. Air conditioning systems and engine sensors are particularly prone to failure. Moreover, the diesel engines of the BMW 1 Series, especially those from this period, have shown signs of premature wear, which can lead to high repair costs. Owners of these models often find themselves facing unexpected breakdowns. 5. Renault Clio. 4. The Renault Clio 4 is a popular car, but it has longevity issues that cannot be ignored. While this model is known for its pleasant driving experience and low fuel consumption, it is also subject to frequent mechanical issues, particularly related to the gearbox and head gaskets. Many owners report these problems occurring well before 80,000 kilometers. Electronics and fuel injection system issues are also recurrent and can lead to costly repairs. If you're looking for a car that will last for several years with minimal hassle, the Clio 4 shouldn't be your first choice. 6. Volkswagen Polo. The Volkswagen Polo is known for its build quality and driving comfort, but it's not free from flaws. The engine in some versions of the Polo experiences premature wear, particularly the models